Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I twist my hair. So now I've divided my hair into 3 sections. This is the number 1, 2 and the 3rd one at the back, which I had already partitioned into 4 parts here. Okay, it might not be smooth because I had to use my hand to trace it out. I did something like this. I just used my hand to trace it out. So this is the first one, the second one, so the 3rd one, and this is the last one. So the back section had already been partitioned, so don't mind me, I might be looking at this direction. That is where my mirror is. So this, I will untwist it now. Comb it out and then partition it. So I'm going to be making it straightforward like this. So I'll do that off camera, then I'll be right back. So here it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to do the same with these 2. So now I have 8 sections at the front, 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's get started.